What's up, builders? Welcome back to my channel. This is EIZY, and today we have something very small to review, and she is this thing here. Well, I need to lift up my camera, and we have the Frame Arms Girl Sylphy by Kotobukiya, a collaboration with the MegaHouse here. This is actually based on the Desktop Army model kit. Oh, this is not a model kit, but it's a figure. I have one, the first ever version. So this is a Sylphy, the very first one that I ever bought, and this is so tiny. Well, side by side with the Frame Arms Girl, she's very she's very small indeed, and so hard to stand up properly. There we have our original Sylphy by MegaHouse with the Frame Arms Girl version of Sylphy. So the size comparison between the we have the EIZY device here. I have the custom one, and also we have the Frame Arms Girl. See, she's still the smallest one here, and if we compare it with the 30 minutes mission kit by Bandai, she's still small, but this is the figure and this is the model kit. These are the parts that comes inside the box. We have here the action base, special for the Sylphy, since she's very small, so her action base is also very cute. And we have a pair of twin tails here, and a spare magazine for the weapon here, so you can check out like that. And we also have this weapon here. It looks like a knife, and a backpack here. Well, this backpack is the wings can move like that, and same goes with the back here, you can move like that. There's an articulation here too, can rotate just like that, and no movement. And that's it. And this one can be rotated too. That's that. So this is the backpack for Sylphy, and we have here the knee guard. She comes with 4 different faceplate here. We have the blank one here, and this cute looking face here. She looks like this one, and we have here this smiley face or happy face, like calling a Miyane. She's like this one. And then we have this normal face. Even this one looks pretty cute. And we have some holder here. This is actually for the wing. If you guys want to swap it as a weapon or something, you can use this part here. And we have this piece here, goes in for this backpack, and also water slide decal like this. We have a Sentinel Glory, and this is by the MegaHouse and also the Kotobukiya. This is a collaboration between them, making this Desktop Army as a Frame Arms Girl line. Move on with the articulation for Sylphy. Her head can move downward about this far, backward just that far. There's a lock right there, and can move side to side and rotation like that. And for the arm, they are actually using this kind of joint, not a ball joint, but this joint here, so your hand can move only up far, but that I think goes, there we go, it's about that far. And there's a rotation like that, can bend like so, and also a rotation here. And for the upper body part here, she can move forward only about that far, backward about that far. Well, this is actually using the same Frame Arms Girl design. There's a ball joint here. And for the lower body part, this is not a ball joint too. They are using this kind of joint here, so her legs can move up about that far, back about that far, and can move like that, and also some rotation here, can bend about that much. And also there's no pivot here, but this thing at the back here can open up like that, so this can become a stand, easy for her to stand, better than her normal desktop army design. Well, that's it for this articulation. We move on to turning her using the twin tail. Attach it like that. There's another one here. There we go. And the articulation just like that far. There's a rotation like so. So that's it. Well, the other parts that comes with her, like this knee guard here, you can put it right here at the front, or you can put it on the side here. There's another hole here like that, or at the front like that. And for the extra magazine, like this one here, this part here, this thing can rotate, and you can put it right here or at the back here, any way you want, like that. There's two of them, so I just use one. And for the weapon here, to attach to the kit, well, it's actually simple. Just slide this handle in like that. Here we go. She holds this gun very steady, not much problem, no loose part or whatsoever. And same goes with this another weapon here. Just simply put it like this, and there we go. And for the backpack here, just simply slide this pack inside at the back here, like that. And lastly, we have this action base. You can put it, there's another hole here, just simply slide this inside, or you can use at the top here too. There you go. That's it. This is the Sylphy in her weapon with the backpack and everything. She looks pretty cute. I know some of you are wondering whether the other Frame Arms Girl can use this face expression of this Sylphy. Well, we should take a look. We have this go right here, so let's test it. Gonna take this one off and this thing off too. So basically the Frame Arms Girl compared with the Mega Mini Vice. Mega Mini Vice has different type of connector for these faceplate, but the Frame Arms Girl, they are using the same design, and this one should be, there we go, and there we go. So it fits pretty good. She's so cute and pretty funny at the same time. So that is my review for this Frame Arms Girl Sylphy by Kotobukiya and MegaHouse. If you guys want to support my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and give a like if you guys like this video of mine. More video review will coming real soon, including this Gorekai 2.0 by Kotobukiya, but she's wearing Sylphy's faceplate, so she looks not a Go right this time. And I have other plenty of Frame Arms Girl and Mega Device to review. Hope to see you guys next time again, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.